To add coin or token to the blockchain wallet on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, in the apps screen, open up the blockchain wallet. From the wallet home screen, tap on the add button. Then here you can use the search function, or you can scroll down the list and select a coin that you would like to add. For example, we're going to select Tether USD, tap on the add button and tap on OK. Here it will be added to your wallet. From there you can open up the coin and you can send or receive. So to receive, tap on the receive button. Here you'll be able to receive it, and you can tap on the send button to send it if you have any coin left in your account. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.